The NEC National Exhibition Centre and Resorts World Birmingham are located in Solihull, just outside Birmingham city centre, right next to Birmingham Airport and Birmingham International train station. This prime location makes both venues highly accessible by road, rail and air, with the M42 motorway nearby and excellent public transport links. The NEC is the UK's largest exhibition venue, opened in 1976, and consists of over 20 interlinked halls, hosting major trade shows, public exhibitions, conferences, and live events throughout the year. It is also home to Resorts World Arena, a major concert venue that attracts top international acts. Directly opposite the NEC is Resorts World Birmingham, a modern leisure and entertainment complex developed by Genting and opened in 2015. It features a large outlet shopping centre with well-known brands, a luxury hotel and spa, a wide variety of restaurants and bars, a casino, and a state-of-the-art showcase cinema deluxe. One of its highlights is Sky by the Water, a rooftop restaurant and bar offering stylish dining and views of the surrounding area, complete with seasonal outdoor igloos. Resorts World provides a perfect place to relax, dine, or be entertained before or after attending events at the NEC. Together, the NEC and Resorts World create one of the Midlands' top destinations for both business and leisure. Whether you're visiting for a trade show, a concert, or simply a day out shopping and dining, the area offers everything in one convenient location.